pension fees is the topic for the video today. Hello and welcome. My name's Hannah and I'm really excited and delighted that you've taken the time and energy to come and watch my video today. This channel focuses on retirement planning, entrepreneurship and personal finance. If any of those subjects resonate with you, then I'd love for you to like, comment, share and subscribe and click the notifications bell so that you know when new videos are released, which is each and every week, each and every Friday. Now, let's get straight into the video. The key thing that I want to share with you today is fees. Fees can totally erode the performance of your funds, but if you're not aware of them or they're hidden in the documentation, then you might just be oblivious to how much your fees are actually costing you and affecting the value of your fund. The fees that you need to look out for generally are, you want to look out for platform fees, that's number one. The second type of fee that you want to look out for are transaction fees. So for example, if your fund buys and sells shares or stocks or other forms of commodities, there might be transaction fees. So that's number two. The third fee that I'd encourage you to look out for is what's often called a management fee. And the fourth type of fee that you want to look out for is an admin fee. So those generally are the fees that you'll find listed in your pension statement. And if they're not, send an email to your pension provider and ask them for a list of all the fees and what the total amount of the fees actually was this year, last year, the year before, however many years worth of pension statements that you've got, because you really need to keep an eye on this year in, year out to make sure that you're happy with the level of the fees, because obviously if you're not, you might decide to do something else. Now, I've only mentioned 4 types of fees, but there could well be other fees. For example, if you choose to exit that particular pension scheme, they might actually have exit fees, and some pension companies will say, for example, if you join them today, you've actually got to stay with them for, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 years. Otherwise, there will be penalties, and the penalty is in the form of a fee. And this could have serious consequences for your pension if you choose to actually transfer it to another company. Again, I'm not offering you advice, I'm just giving you guidance on make sure that you look out for the fees. What I'd strongly recommend that you do once you've identified the level of the total fees that you're being charged for your pension plan is that you put all of this information into a spreadsheet and then track back to the last 3, 4, 5, even up to the last 6 years and see how much the fees have affected the total value of your funds. And then start keeping an eye on it from here onwards so that in the future you can have a really good grip as to how much it's impacting your total funds. So I hope that's been useful for you. My question for the day is, will you now go and search for your pension statements and actually extract that information, put it in a spreadsheet and look to see how it's actually been impacting your pension funds over the last 2, 3, 4, up to the last 6 years or so? And will you keep on doing this going forward? Because this is what's going to really affect the end fund value when you choose to retire. What I'm doing today is just really providing you with some guidance in terms of being completely aware of the impact of fees on your funds. So thanks again for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. And please do remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, especially if you'd like to see more content like this going forward into the future. Thank you. Bye for now.